जिसे बोलते हैं, ऊपर का जो कवर वाला होता है. Don't throw it away. Just keep on saving this bread. The salad demonstration for Good Housekeeping. Annually they have an event, so this is like a sort of like a little bit of a workshop, and the brands that sponsor, you know, using their products and showing and showcasing things with that. Just make sure it's hard and it's dry. So in this bowl I have some diced yellow peppers, some red peppers and some onions which I've already diced beforehand, to which I'm just going to add some bread. Chopped tomatoes. I've taken cherry tomatoes, you can take regular tomatoes. Some cucumber. It's a very easy recipe. It's called panzanella salad. It has diced cucumbers, diced bell peppers, both red and yellow. You want to add green, you can add the green one. It's got just pieces of bread, stale bread basically. And then you have some minced garlic or sliced garlic, whatever you like. Diced onions. I add Kalamata olives to this. You can add even black or green olives depending on your taste. And it has balsamic, olive oil. But because we were doing a show, we've added some American Gardener Italian dressing. It's a very simple salad, just some tossed hand, crushed basil. Toss it together and just enjoy it, like with any Italian dish for that reason, pastas, risottos. So I'm adding some balsamic vinegar, about 1/4 of a cup. I'm just adding some Italian dressing. What's going to happen is that the bread will soak all the juices. It's a very healthy salad, it's a very quick salad, and probably one of the most pretty looking salads. It's got green color, red color, there's bread in it. You can serve this with pastas. It itself is a salad or a meal by itself because bread is added, there's carbohydrates in it. You can use it as a complete meal. You add some fruits to it, nuts to it, it's a wholesome meal, and in fact one of the lovely lunches you can have with, let's say, a bowl of soup or something. Lots and lots of women, kids, moms, working ladies who I think who come and read Good Housekeeping very regularly, so they came in.
It's very nice, it's very refreshing, and a very welcome thing for the summers to come. And my kids are also enjoying the thing. They ran away from veggies, but now look at him, he's having.
It was perfectly all right. She was very great and very good in putting up her ingredients together and in a very nice way.